We are at the 1800 Old Meadow, McLean, Virginia, replacing a chilled and hot water system. This is a 4-pipe system, and we are trying to actually will replace it with a lot newer system. This unit is very old, maybe about 50 or maybe more years old, and the new unit, this is the inside of it, with a controlled zone valves, individual heating and cooling valves. Instead of 120 control, it has a lot better and more efficient system with better heating and cooling.